In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these images by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. This is how the final result looks like, and this art is based on a simple grease pencil drawing from Blender that looks like this. There is a dedicated preprocessor and model called line art, but since the XL version doesn't have one working well, we'll use the depth model instead. This is how the scene looks like in Blender. Please use cycles with 768 by 768 resolution without the denoise and composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. To draw with a grease pencil in Blender, please click the Annotate button on the left side to activate the grease pencil feature. Please render the image by using the View menu's Viewport Render Image feature, and import it to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Please match the resolution, and use the depth model like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.